We go back to Cora Henderson over at Pitt and Frank LLC for our next question. Again, you can email me, bob@wesellouisville.com, and I will put your questions on the air. That's what happened here. Richard says he owns a condominium on Zorn Avenue, and he says the unit above leaked. We hear this every once in a while. The water was shut off, but not before doing $10,000 in damage to his condo. He says, I have to replace some of the drywall, carpet, at least 3 cabinets in the kitchen. So he's wondering, Cora, who's responsible for reimbursing him, Richard, for the money that he's laying out? The condo association, the condo owner above, or his insurance? What does he do? Cora?
Good question.
Yeah.
That has to be beyond frustrating. So it depends. That's my short answer is it depends. I would like to think, of course, the first call should be to your homeowner's insurance and to your agent and ask appropriate questions.
Mhm.
Perhaps they help facilitate that with the other unit owner's insurance and or the condo association's insurance. If you've, God forbid, you've ever been in a car wreck, again, similar situation, sometimes that insurance company will help facilitate that for you. And then other times they're a little bit more hands off, and that's up to you to do some extra due diligence and ask questions of the condo association and the unit owners as to whether or not their insurance is going to cover it. But hands down, my first call would be to my own insurance agent to ask them how involved I have to be and to report this, because ultimately you'll want to make sure that the appropriate claim is made so your repairs can be well underway and you could be remedied, of course, for any damages that you've suffered. I would like to think, just another short answer is that the unit owner's insurance would be responsible for that. But again, I would call my own first and see what the next reporting step and or diligence step would be.
Your insurance company will probably contact the owner above and their insurance company, and that way you stay out of it for the most part, being a bad person.
That would be ideal.
Yeah,
Yes.
that would be ideal. All right, great stuff. All right, thank you, Cora.